friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how can we disconnect earphone to our Redmi phone. Friends, you have connected guys any earphone, and friends, you have connected any Bluetooth device, and friends, you want to disconnect the device. So how can we disconnect? And guys, I will show you guys how can I disconnect, means how can we disconnect our earphone to our Redmi phone. Today I will show you guys. So first of all, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it and click on guys your phone Bluetooth setting guys. Tap here. Once you want to disconnect guys your earphones, when you can disconnect from here, guys tap here, and friends you can see this unpair option, and guys you can see use for call guys you want to off, so you can off from here. After off guys you cannot pick up call, means call setting will not work in your earphones. So you want to on, so you can off on from here, but guys we will disconnect. So guys tap on unpair option, then guys we will off, then guys your earphone will disconnect to your phone guys, you cannot use. So like that guys we can disconnect our earphones to our Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.